Good day, dear students. Today we have lecture on theoretical phonetics, lecture number 2, branches of phonetics. We know that the phonetic medium can be studied from 4 points of view: the articulatory, the acoustic, the auditory, and the functional one. We may consider the branches of phonetics according to these aspects. Articulatory phonetics is the study of the way the vocal organs are used to produce speech sounds. Acoustic phonetics is the study of the physical properties of speech sounds. Auditory phonetics is the study of the way people perceive speech sounds. Of these 3 branches of phonetics, the longest established and until recently the most highly developed is articulatory phonetics. For this reason, most of terms used by linguists to refer to speech sounds are articulatory in origin. Phoneticians are also interested in the way in which sound phenomena function in a particular language. In other words, they study the abstract side of the sound of a language. The branch of phonetics concerned with the study of functional linguistics aspect of speech sound is called phonology. By contrast with phonetics, which studies all the possible sounds that the human vocal apparatus can make, phonology studies only those contrasts in sound which make differences of meaning within language. Besides the 4 branches of phonetics described above, there are other divisions of the science. We may speak of general phonetics and the phonetics of a particular language, special or descriptive phonetics. General phonetics studies all the sound-producing possibilities of the human speech apparatus and the way they are used for the purpose of communication. The phonetics of a particular language studies the contemporary phonetic system of the particular language. It is the system of its pronunciation and gives a description of all the phonetic units of the language. Descriptive phonetics is based on general phonetics. Linguists distinguish also historical phonetics, whose aim is to trace and establish the successive changes in the phonetic system of a given language or a language family at different stages of its development. Historical phonetics is a part of the history of language. Closely connected with historical phonetics is comparative phonetics, whose aims are to study the correlation between the phonetic system of 2 or more languages and find out the correspondences between the speech sounds of kindred languages. This is the end of lecture number 2. Here you have references, and your home assignment can be found on the website. Thank you for your attention.